Hi! Welcome back to my place, mi casa. Welcome back, everyone. If you have watched the last video of my apartment tour when it was like semi-empty, well, pretty much it was empty. Well, me and my roommate went ahead and updated the living room space and dining room space with some furniture. We still working on it, it's still work in progress. However, at least we got the basic down, you know? So let me go ahead and show you my updated apartment tour 2018. All right, let's get started. As you can see, we actually have furniture. About time. Oh my goodness, we got this furniture beginning of May, and right now it's like towards the end of May. So yeah, we really love this furniture that we have right now. Come on, take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look. You see this couch? The L couch. You remember when I said, yo, I really want an L couch in here? Well, we finally got it. It was an awesome, awesome deal that we got. It's so comfortable. Oh my gosh, I can just like lay here. It feels so good, yo. Like, come here, come over here. You remember the view I was telling you about, how I just like looking up to the sky and just being so grateful for everything I have in life. I still do it to this day. It's just so nice to actually have a couch. I mean, comfortable, just sitting down and just like looking out in the view. This couch was such a good deal. One of my good friends back in college, she went ahead and contacted me and told me that she's moving, giving away her stuff. And I said, what kind of stuff? She told me the L couch, coffee table, TV stand, dining table, lamps, all of it. I was like, yeah, I'm definitely coming over. And how about she lived in this neighborhood? So I just had to walk over to get the furniture. And I'm like, yo, this is a crazy deal. Thank you. So shout out to my friend back in college. You know who you are. Thank you. I appreciate you. This video is for you. I hope you enjoy watching this. I love the couch. Me and my roommate, we love it. It feels good. I got this window crack right now, so like me just sitting here and just feeling the breeze feel very nice. And plus I have the place to myself, which I barely have place myself, so it feels so good to like actually enjoy this alone. So this is the coffee table that we got along with the couch. Also the TV stand here. My cousin, who's my roommate by the way, he went ahead and moved his TV from his room to here. Now I remember last video I was saying that I was gonna go ahead and get bar stools to this island bar that we have right here. However, I changed my mind. And so this is what our living room space looks like now. And it's less echo in our place because we actually have furniture to take up the space. But yeah, this will be a nice picture like this. Like, welcome to my apartment. Let me show you one last piece that we got to just make the living room space look very nice. We ended up getting a dining table, and I'm telling you, this dining table is huge, and I love it. We can play like beer pong on this dining table. Check it out. Look at this dining table. It is fantastic. Doesn't it remind you of our island bar? It's real marble. Like, this marble is so heavy. I think that he was saying this weighed 300 tons. Sick, huh? It's made from Italy. So this is kind of legit marble right here. And as you can see, my female Buddha is right there at the end. Had her in the middle, but it got slide down to the end. And actually like it right there. It's pretty nice, it fits. Female Buddha. Chair is pretty comfortable. I'm so short, so like the table is like right near my neck. But it's pretty good. I like it. It's worth the buy. We got all this stuff, believe it or not. Let me get closer so y'all can actually believe me. So we got all this stuff over here. The L couch, TV stand, this dining table, the lamps. As you can see, one lamp is right there in the background. All this was $340, no joke. Like that L couch right there, $340. TV stand, $340. Dining table, $340. Like, this was a steal. We feel very grateful. Living here now feels very comfortable. We don't have to like stand the whole time or stay inside our rooms. Like, we actually can just like feel free and actually socialize and have friends over. So I like it. My roommate likes it. We feel great, feel blessed. And thank you again to my friend back in college for hooking us up. We really do appreciate you. I know some people are wondering, what about your room? Like, what have you done to your room? Well, I'm still working on my room. I thought it was gonna be completed this weekend. However, when I bought the TV stand for my TV, yeah, it was the wrong size. Even though it said in the description that it fits a 55-inch, however, when I placed it on there, didn't work out. My TV almost fell. And if that would have happened, I just gotta get that one last piece for my TV stand. Once that is set up, then I will go ahead and show y'all the updated view of my room. So yeah, but for now, the living room space is completed. So happy. Now we just waiting on what kind of art we're gonna put on these empty walls here. And so far. But I'm very happy. I'm so glad y'all enjoyed my last apartment tour. I appreciate everyone who watched and subscribed and shared the video. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy this one. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment. I would love to answer all your questions. I try to answer all of them, and I know one person asked me, how much am I paying for rent here in Los Angeles? And here we go. You ready? How much I'm paying? I am paying $2,500 for a 2-bed, 2-bathroom apartment. And honestly, that's the norm. So yeah, if you think about moving to LA, please comment, let me know, because I would like to do a video on how my living experience here has been so far. And also I would like to give y'all some tips on how much you should save or what you should expect, what you should not expect, things to do here in LA. But yeah, I need your comments, I need your questions so that it can help me out with my next video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed the updated apartment tour with my furniture inside, and peace out.